Welcome back to Income in Shape, where we dive into the latest trends, tips, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our empowering content. Today, we're uncovering the top 5 side hustles. You can start right now to kickstart your journey towards an extra stream of income. Let's get started. First up, freelance digital services. In today's digital age, skills like web design, graphic design, digital marketing, SEO, and content writing are in high demand. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can be your gateway to connecting with clients worldwide. Specializing in areas with high demand not only sets you apart, but can also command higher rates. The key? Build a strong portfolio and gather testimonials from happy clients to boost your credibility. Next, becoming an online course creator. If you're knowledgeable in a specific field, why not share that expertise with the world? Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera offer a space to create and sell courses on evergreen topics. Whether it's tech, business, or personal development, creating valuable content can help you generate a substantial income over time. Remember, the key to success is creating content that's both engaging and informative. Side hustle 3, real estate investing. Real estate investing, a classic way to build wealth. With platforms like Fundrise or Roofstock, getting started in real estate is more accessible than ever, even with smaller capital. Real estate can provide a stable passive income stream over time. Research and due diligence are key to minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Side hustle 4, stock market investing, trading. It's not just for the Wall Street elites. With apps like Robinhood or E-Trade, entering the world of stocks, ETFs, or options is at your fingertips. While it can be lucrative, it's crucial to educate yourself to minimize risks. Start small, stay informed, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. By promoting products through your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, you can earn commissions on sales. The secret? Your ability to generate traffic and convert that traffic into sales. Focus on content that adds value to your audience, and the commissions will follow. And there you have it, the top 5 side hustles you can start today to pave your way to financial freedom. Choose the path that resonates with you and take that first step today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay motivated and see you on the path to success.